Alright, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. Today we're going to be fixing some broken pipes on a chlorinator. I'm just going to show you how simple it is. This is what happened right here. This sits up here like this, and that whole piece just cracked off. So we're going to go ahead and we're actually going to remove this whole piece, and we're actually going to put in a ball valve. That way you can stop the flow of water. These are good for separating it, but you also want to be able to stop the water if you need to check stuff and do all that. So let's go ahead and get this off of here. Alright, so that's off there now, and we're gonna tape this up, and then we're gonna put some of the pipe dope on there as well to help seal it. Now remember, when you're tightening these, everything's plastic, so you want to just take your time with it. Alright, so now that that's on there, get our primer and our glue out. Get some in there. And we already cut our little piece of flex pipe, and this was all hard piped in, and the flex pipe will actually let it move a little bit better, so it won't crack like this, because when it's all stiff it's a lot easier to crack. So this is a better route to go. So I'll go ahead and prime this one end. Get some glue. One here. And then push that in and give it a little turn. Now we want to prime this other end. And we're hooking up a ball valve on here. So just make sure you got all your seals and stuff in there. The inner seal, rubber seal. And this is brand new, but if you're putting on something else, you got to make sure that those are on there and in there correctly. And we want to prime this. And get some more glue. And do this. Get the inside here. And get that on there, and then give it a turn. Alright, So now the ball valve's on there. We're going to prime this end. And we got to cut a little piece to connect our 90° to go straight at the pool. And here's our 90. So that's going to go like this. So I already cut out a little piece. Let's try and get off all this stuff here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to cut a little bit bigger of a piece. So right about there. So let's go ahead and prime this end. And get some glue on there. Push that in, give it a little twist. Alright, so now we're going to prime this end. And we're going to prime the elbow. And get some glue on there. Glue all up in there. Some glue on here. And put that on. Alright, so as you can see, there's the old setup where you just split it. You could just split it here and take it apart. Now we got the ball valve in there, all new piping with the flex pipe, so it can actually move a little bit. You don't have to worry about it snapping. And you can turn it off and on. So now we gotta go ahead and take this piece off of here. Alright, so that's out now. Alright, so let's get some Teflon tape on here and the pipe built, and then we'll be able to get this in the chlorinator. We did this piece. That'll work out. We'll prime the end. prime inside here. And we want to get our glue. Some in there. And then this is going to go in. And see, now we'll be able to get it in there all the way. So, I'm going to go ahead and prime this. Prime this. Put some in here. And then get this in there. And we'll let that dry for a second. That's probably how we had it set up. Alright, so it's that quick and simple. And just to make sure you get enough bricks underneath here to support this. You really don't want to leave these hanging up in there. I've watched some people who install them, that's how they do them, and they leave it just like this. But it's better to have some support. So if he gets one more brick in here, that'll help support that and keep it up. So, alright, so it's that quick, simple, and easy. So everything's back together now. Here's the old parts. Everything's replaced and we're all set. So make sure you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.